Of utmost importance is to understand why this is a national issue. Mahadi is the third largest internal depot, container depot in this country. It is served by more than 15 shipping lines. All the ships from China, India, Pakistan, Netherlands, Denmark, Britain, USA, South Africa, Norway, dock and put the containers at Mahadi. These containers are for countries within the region, that is Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Mozambique, Botswana, Southern Sudan, Ethiopia, Djibouti. All these countries have no supplies. That's the first issue, that this order has made other countries within the region to suffocate because they cannot be able to get supplies. Number two, the containers that have been locked in and the materials are worth more than 14 billion Kenya shillings. That is the property that has been kept. Some of the containers have perishables. Some of the containers are carrying critical supplies to neighboring countries, and also the containers that are empty are supposed to be taken out of the country for them to be loaded and brought back. Third, the revenue the country is losing. The port, the inland port, is employing to the tune of around 400 to 500 Kenyans who now are jobless. The KRA collects millions on monthly basis from this area. The young people who are working there are now not having any gainful employment, and families multiplier effect. We are dealing with around 2,000 families that are going to be affected. Third issue is that this has never happened. A case filed in Mombasa High Court. People leave Mombasa High Court, pass Kwale, pass Malindi, pass Voi, pass Machakos, pass Kajiado, come to Milimani. A judge in Milimani is equal to a judge in Mombasa. So there is no way a judge in Nairobi can review or sit as an appellate court against another judge in Mombasa. We have checked. They never told the judge in Nairobi that there were matters in Mombasa. The subject matter is a port in Mombasa. It's not a port in Nairobi. So territorial jurisdiction vests in Mombasa. We have brought this to the attention of the judge. We expect that will be heard today at around 2:30 so that those orders can be vacated to allow the port to run. Otherwise, we are now facing a major maritime crisis where the Port of Mombasa is going to be downgraded because the congestion that is going to accrue out of this will affect our neighbors. And that is why we have come and put to the world that this is a national security issue. We shall be moving internally, administratively, to raise the relevant arms of government to ensure that this is sorted out so that Mombasa Port does not clog and we have neighbors moving to Dar es Salaam, neighbors move to Kismayu or move to other ports around the Indian coastline. Thank you for that.